Now that I've imported my tool libraries into Toolpath, it's time to create a cut config. A cut config is a crucial step to teach Toolpath how to use our tools by matching preset speeds and feeds from your library to different machining operations that Toolpath uses when programming your part. Let's get started. First, let's navigate to the Cut Configs tab and click Create Cut Config. Well, what exactly is a cut config? It's essentially a set of rules that tells Toolpath how to select and use your tools for specific operations. For example, you can prioritize certain libraries or tools to streamline your programming process. The first step is to select the libraries we want to use. I'll select the library we just uploaded, Aluminum Configured, as well as these two others to demonstrate the priority levels that Toolpath gives us. My Aluminum Configured tool library contains tools already loaded into my tool changer, so I set that to preferred. This Common Tools library includes tools available in the shop, but might require some setup, so I'll set those as standard. Lastly, my Harvey Manufacturers library that I downloaded off the internet is a backup for when I need to order a tool. You can see once the libraries are selected, Toolpath generates a list of available presets because we have autofill presets turned on. This feature automatically applies all the presets created by Pretool. Next, I'll set a default estimate preset for this cut config. Let's go with default aluminum. Now I'll name the cut config, and we suggest you always include the material and machine type in the name to keep things organized. I'll name this one Aluminum Speedio. Once everything is set, click the check mark to save your cut config. It's now successfully added to the cut configs list. To make this the default configuration for new parts, I can click these three dots and select Make Default. This way, it's the first report I see when I upload a part. And that's it. With your cut config set up, you're ready to start uploading your parts and seeing the results tailored to your tools. In the next video, we'll dive a bit deeper into cut configs and learn how to dial them in for specific scenarios.